Okay, so I don't know if the utter nonsense this person is spouting is rage bait or if they actually believe this, but I'm gonna interpret it as they actually believe this. Like, this is their actual opinion. So that I can make this rebuttal. PC building is nothing like Lego or Lego Duplo at all. And I'll tell you why. It's all because of one main reason. Whenever you build a Lego set, and I'm speaking from experience, I've built a lot of Lego sets over the years. Whenever you build a Lego set, it's like, has this ever happened to you? Like, you accidentally misplace one Lego piece and suddenly it fucking breaks, like it shatters into a million little plastic pieces and it becomes utterly unusable and you have to pay $500 for a replacement. Has that ever happened to you? No, I didn't fucking think so, cuz that's not how Legos work. Like, but like PC building, like this has probably happened to someone who's trying to build a PC. Like, you it's like you accidentally make a mistake, as people do, and boom, that part that you need for your PC is just unusable and broken. You have to pay $500 for a replacement. Now, mind you, PC building is PC building is what? I don't know. Now, mind you, a lot of people only buy new PCs to replace their old ones. So they don't want to have to go through all of that fucking hassle of putting the damn thing together themselves. So they just let a professional do it. And I want to call attention to one of the replies to a reply this person made where they said, I where they said, I need a professional Lego builder to build my Legos for me. The difference between Lego building a Lego set and building a PC is that building a Lego set is actually fucking easy because there's an instruction book like that comes with the set that tells you how to build it. And it's got like pictures and shit. Hold on. Let me get a Lego instruction booklet right now. Alrighty, I've got a Lego instruction book. It's for the Lego Minecraft Ender Dragon set, and see, hold on, let me flip to a page. The thing with with Lego sets, with Lego instruction books, is that Lego sets come with instruction books. And they have pictures! They have fucking pictures! So that you actually know what to do. So that you actually know how to build the fucking Lego set. It shows you. It gives a visual demonstration. Pete, you don't find... Like, it's... And Lego building is simple! You fucking... Lego building is simple. I don't have a Lego set. I don't have an unbuilt Lego set that I could show you. Like... wait, I have like a bucket. I have like a bucket of Legos from like an IKEA Lego set. Because you could buy like things of Legos at IKEA. Uh, got the Sonic. I got the Sonic Lego set, but unfortunately I fucking dropped it and broke it and shit. I don't know. But yeah, I've got a bucket of Legos here. Like, building Legos is simple because Legos are little plastic blocks that you could fucking. They're little plastic blocks that you can fucking pick, that you can fucking snap on. See, you could just snap them together like that. It's easy. You can't do that with a fucking PC building. You can't just you can't just go like fucking Lego Star Wars and like boom, your PC's built. No, that shit takes like fucking forever. Where am I going with this? No, PC building and Legos are so different. They're different in so many ways. I cannot stress this enough. This is I cannot stress how different PC building and like building Legos is. Cause look at this. This is Lego. This is building Lego. Legos are plastic bricks that you snap on, and like if you fuck up placement, they don't like fucking look at that. Look at this. This is how fucking easy building with Lego is, because they're plastic blocks for children. No. Legos cannot be you cannot compare Legos like building Legos to building a fucking computer, because Legos are plastic blocks for children. Hold on. I'm gonna turn my fan on. And actually, in fact, fuck it. I'm gonna take this mask off. I'm gonna take this Cthulhu mask off because it's hot in this thing. Okay, you get to see my real face. You get to see my real face. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Because Legos are plastic blocks for children. PC building is not is like for people who actually are smart. It's like, oh yeah, this is a good reply. Legos don't catch fire if you place them wrong. I'm gonna move my camera. Yeah, it's like, dude, Lego Lego is the simplest shit on earth. PC building is not, because again, once again, Legos. Actually, I'm gonna get some more bricks. I'm gonna get some more bricks. Yeah. Because once again, Legos. Legos are fucking plastic blocks for children. They do not. Lego, like one individual Lego brick does not cost $600. The only thing about Lego that costs $600 is like a big ass set. Like, hold on, I'm gonna look up Lego. I'm gonna look up the Lego. I'm gonna look up how much the Lego Death Star costs. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's $1,000. That doesn't help with my analogy, but still, Lego sets, individual Lego pieces do not cost $1,000, like $500 a piece. I'm gonna get like a regular. Okay, do you want to know how much a like regular ass fucking Lego brick costs? Like a nice average 2x4 brick. You don't know how much this costs? Fucking 21 cents. Hold on. I bet we can go even cheaper. See this? This little dinky ass piece? This costs 7 cents. I can't find anything cheaper, but like Legos 5 cents. This costs 5 cents. Legos do not cost $500 a piece because they are plastic blocks for children. Fuck.